Good morning. What up? Hey man, I know I've been late on these videos with the whip. I done did a couple things already, you know what I'm saying? I'll try to put it in this video. I will try to put the clips of what I did in this video. I would have been posting, but I had some issues with my phone. I don't like recording on this phone, my Samsung, you know what I'm saying? My iPhone, you know, it automatically comes with iMovie, you know what I'm saying? So I didn't have enough memory on my iPhone, and I had to erase some stuff, excuse me. But right now, I got the spark plugs. I've been had the spark plugs. Hey, if you want to know what I'm doing, Instagram always get everything first, and it gets all the little extra stuff too. You feel me? So, yeah, man. Follow my Instagram. Right now, I'm about to go put a little gas in them. And we about to go get them spark plugs changed. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try to take a picture so y'all can see how bad my spark plugs was. You know what I'm saying? Cause I got 116,000 miles right now, and the last time I went to Jiffy Lube, you know, they could show you like the level of your spark plugs and how good they are. They was terrible. I don't think the last people that had this car ever got them serviced. Not the spark plugs, but I don't think they ever got a tune-up. So that's what I'm on my way to do right now. It is, man. Premium. Look how much that shit is right now. Oh, you can't see it, ain't come up yet. Look at that shit. Look how much that shit is, boy. Look, and I always say, man, if you ain't putting the premium in the whip, man, don't even try to race me, bro. You feel me? Don't even do it to yourself. I wonder what it's gonna come up to be. I wonder just for the little whip though. I'm wondering how much. Yeah, that's my homie whip right there. That thing fire. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. He ain't there working. He ain't there working. Yes, sir. That's that nice.
GSTV's word of the day.
Still going. Still going. Still going. Come on, man. We ain't trying to hear all that. God, leave with the premium. Not the premium. God, leave.
The American needed under an hour.
Baby boy was thirsty, though. I had to do it like that. I had to, man. 40? We're going to hit 40? Uh-oh. Let's see. Oh, he's still going. Boy, that premium is not no joke. How much is gas up here? I can't even see it. But look, man, we're at 42, 93. Yes, sir. Look at my baby. Look at my baby. We about to get a spark plug changed, baby. Man, I would hit that joint for y'all, man. But it's raining and wet. These things is kind of turkey, you know what I'm saying? But I know after I get that tune up, it's gonna feel and sound better. I don't care what nobody talking about. I'm about to have a butt dyno, because if I can get a picture up to show y'all how bad these spark plugs was, oh snap. I gotta do something. Alright, I'm back. I had to make sure I had my spark plugs. But like I was saying, man, I know it ain't like I'm getting I ain't like I'm getting Archon tuned up or nothing. You know what I'm saying? But I'm getting, a tune. You know, it's a difference between, I guess it's a difference between, it is a difference between a tune and a tune up. It ain't like I'm getting a tune, I'm just getting a tune up. But wait till y'all see these spark plugs, man. Wait till y'all see these spark plugs if I can get the picture. go ahead and see what's up, though. I had to go to Walmart and get the fruit. You know what I'm saying? This is my breakfast right here. Now I'm back to Jiffy Lube. Yes, sir. That motherfucker, I like that now. Got little rims on that. Oh, y'all see my baby sitting outside up there? Yeah, somebody got the rims on that joint. That joint nice now. That joint nice. Eee. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I like them rims. They ain't never did my car dirty. You know what I'm saying? Gotta let me go. Yeah, they ain't never did my car dirty though. Look at he getting in there. Yeah, make sure it's right now. Gotta make sure it's right now. Hey, I'll tell you real quick. Uh-oh. Look at that thing there. Ooh, she nice. She nice. My fruit bowl, you know what I'm saying? Gotta make my fruit bowl, man. Make sure y'all keep that fruit in y'all, man. That's how you keep the youth. Sir, my son. My son. You want to see what's up with you though? Yeah, this is all I really got done. You know, it's just, man, went in and did my spark plugs and stuff. I brought my own spark plugs, so I already got all this stuff down here. Body service. I thought I was gonna like tell what they did on here, but I guess not. But yeah, this is really it. They just changed my spark plugs. You know what I'm saying? But since I bought the spark plugs, you know what I'm saying? Boom. It took off a big chunk. You feel me? It took it from 291 to 183.50. That was good right there. So this might not have been like the most exciting video, but I needed to get this done. And if you watched it all the way through, I appreciate you. I do. But when I get home, get home, I can't go that way. Okay. But when I get home, I'm just gonna show y'all some of the stuff that I did to the car. Nothing major, nothing major. Oh yeah, that thing. Yeah. I can tell. You know what I'm saying? Got some new spark plugs in there. You feel me? I wish it wasn't wet so I can hit this motherfucker. Yeah, I can tell though. Yeah, I'm back, man. But no cap, I can feel it. It felt much better. I just want to say that. It felt much better. So yeah, man, I've been back to the crib. The car do ride a little bit smoother. It do pick up just a little bit better. You know what I'm saying? Because I don't think they changed the spark plugs since whoever had the car. You know what I'm saying? This car has 7 owners. It don't even look like it has 7 owners. And it's crazy because 7 is my favorite number. You know what I'm saying? But I'm about to show y'all really what I did to the car so far with my almost having it for a whole 2 months. The first thing I did was, you know what I'm saying, I put a little Vert Life sticker on there. You know what I'm saying? And then either the second thing I did, okay, that was the first thing. Second thing I did, you know what I'm saying, when it got me, make sure y'all go follow Nacho Whips, my Instagram, I got that right there. Either the third or the fourth thing, I sprayed my rims. Either way, I don't know if I got the top first or if I sprayed my rims first, but I sprayed my rims, you know what I'm saying, carbon mist color. Took them off, did everything. I sprayed them up real good. They had little scratches and stuff in them, but you still can see them on some of them, but they still look good. Those still look good. And then the other thing I did was when I got my top, you know what I'm saying, I got a new top. That old top was terrible. You know what I'm saying, when I got a new top. And I had bought some pulleys for it. Not pulley, but the pulley belts and stuff. That's the only really things I did, about 5 things to my car. I'm gonna put a little video after this, or at the end of the video, if you wanna see, you know what I'm saying, just about everything else, because I got stickers on the inside of the car too, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, I'm gonna put a little video at the end, or right after this. And I'm gonna crank it up for y'all. It ain't a cold start, but I'm gonna let y'all hear how it sound, you feel me?
If you feeling heat, niggas question me, but I don't think that they living like that. Type of nigga just order still leave your ass flat. You gon' go back to school cause your ass running track. My soul, that's a fact. It's a round of applause out the stick cause this bitch finna clap. Bullet hoes fill 'em up, leave 'em fat. Fuck talking about it if you say you.
Shout out to my goddamn, my bro Food Quandrew, goddamn Food Nasty, for goddamn collabing on the beat with me. I ain't got time for a bitch, a paper chase. Riding in the coupe, I might drop the top today. Riding in the coupe, I might drop the top today. Riding, humble, but I'll flex that face. I was riding in the coupe, I might drop the top today. Riding in that coupe, I might drop the top today. Yeah, I been humble, but I'll flex your face. Riding in that coupe, I might drop the top today. Say she like the swag, but she love the fong sway. I was riding in the coupe, I might drop the top today. She just brought another watch, that mean I'm getting more face. Her lace friend in my lap, and it's blunt to the face. Still praying for my haters, I don't need another case. I pulled up in that vert and seen that hate in their face. I was riding in that seat, I might drop the top today. I give him a new hairdo. Oh, you can't forget that. You can't forget that. Can't forget that. But yeah, I'm gonna change the top today. 2-day job. I ain't gonna see him for 2 days. Oh man. Oh man. So yes, sir. Do y'all see that new jank? That new top? Yes. Yes. Back window got. Oh yeah, trying to get the tint. Yeah, it look good. Yeah, it look good. Yeah. Alrighty. Well, that's it. Y'all see I'm in my work clothes. Alright. Cause I be riding in the Z, I might drop the top today. Throw my wrist up out the window, that's a mini galaxy. I drop them bands in my mouth, same color as Sunny D. Shout out to Miss Mo and my boy Johnny B. Cause I be riding. Cause I be riding in that Z and I just dropped your bitch off. Self-made CEO, I feel like Young Dolph. I just popped the clutch, you see me spin the tires. Most of y'all cap, y'all some fucking liars. She opened up them legs, I guess I'm in the hood. She always shot with me, cause she know it's good. And I be riding in the coupe. I might drop the top today on God. Yeah, man, that's it. My son is stocked. He's still stocked. You know what I'm saying? I got a idler delete on the way, the pulley kit. You know what I'm saying, from Z1 Motorsports. I don't know if that's why it's something, a little screech in my when I rev my exhaust from my shit pulling my stuff spinning or not. But yeah, man, if you know what that look, I don't think it sound right. But if you agree with me and you know what it is, you know what I'm saying, comment down below and let me know. You know what I'm saying? But that's the end of the video. If you watched the whole thing all the way through, salute. I appreciate you. Follow my Instagram. You know what I'm saying? Check out my music. And man, that's about it, man. Keep pushing, man. Don't let nobody tell you what you can and what you can't do. You know what I'm saying? Do what you want to do. Stay productive. Stay positive, and everything gonna goddamn be right. Now, I ain't saying it's a hard road. I ain't saying it's an easy road. You know what I'm saying? Cause everything I've been ordering for the car has been like a month delay. You know what I'm saying? So it's gonna be stuff that's gonna mess the process up and have you thinking like, oh man, but nah, keep going, keep doing what you do, save your money up and keep pushing. You know what I'm saying? What you pay attention to attends to you. Alright, well, I'm out, man. Salute.